Today we are going to talk about our last module of MTCNA, and in our last module we can talk about miscellaneous of MikroTik router. Those are actually used for monitoring. Anyway, so we will talk all of the topics separately. So first of all, we can say there is some tools, router OS tools, right? So there is an option is email. If you log in your MikroTik router, then you can see there is an option is email. So why we use email? We can send an email from MikroTik. If you want to configure like that automatically, you want to collect your router backup file, then you can configure in email so that the router will send your backup file to your email. You don't need manual backup of your MikroTik router. So how to configure email, let's see and how it's work. We are going to open MikroTik router. If you go to the tools, there is an email. Okay, here we are using this email address. The port is, this is the server, this is the SMTP server. You should input here your SMTP server's IP. So 74.255.200.108. Then the port number. So this is the SMTP port number 587 when you are using TLS, right? Okay, there will be your email address and your email address and password. Then apply, then okay. If we go again tools to email, then all information are saved. Now if you want to send an email, just click here, send email. To or from, we are using same email address, send an email. Then just click here, send email. Now you can check your email. You can see now we are getting email from our MikroTik router, right? Thank you for watching.